Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix your Instagram's message problem. Maybe you are trying to message somebody on Instagram, but then you are not being able to send a message and that person is not receiving a message. For that, you want to simply make sure to watch today's video till the end, because I am going to show you how you can fix that kind of issue very easily. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the first thing we want to do is, for example, let's say when I'm trying to message somebody on my Instagram app, I'm not being able to message anybody, maybe because of some restrictions. Let's say you are trying to send a message to that person but they are not being able to receive the messages. If that is the case, then first of all, what you want to do, the first thing anyone would definitely recommend is to simply open our app store. In the search box, you want to type in Instagram and then check whether the Instagram app has an update available or not, because most of the time a simple update is going to fix the issue. You don't have to worry about anything. If you see the update button beside the Instagram button or the Instagram logo, you want to go ahead and tap an update to see whether the issue has been fixed or not. So after you have updated the application and still you are not being able to send a message, it is most likely that maybe that person could have blocked you. So if you're not being able to send message to one particular profile, then I recommend you send a message to some other profiles and see whether the issue has actually been fixed or not. So try to send messages to other profiles, not just to one person. Keep in mind that maybe that person has their messaging feature turned off, or maybe that person could also have deactivated or deleted their account. So try to message other people, and if you are still not being able to send a message, then what you want to do is you want to come back and you want to log out from this account and then try to log in and switch accounts. First of all, try to switch your account and simply try to message somebody from the other account. So go ahead and try to message somebody else from another account. That way you are going to be sure that whether it is your account's issue or whether it is your device's issue. So go ahead and log out and then try to see from other accounts whether the issue has been fixed or not. If it still hasn't fixed the issue, then it is most likely your device's problem. So if it is your device's problem, then you want to try to simply restart your device and then check. But if not, then we are going to simply open Instagram again, and maybe you are trying to message somebody. You want to take a screenshot of the error which you receive, and after you take a screenshot of the error you receive, we are going to simply report it to Instagram. So we are going to simply tap on the menu icon on the top right, followed by the settings option at the bottom of the screen. We are going to tap on settings, and then here we want to go to help at the bottom of the screen. Once we go to help, we are going to go to report a problem, and then again we are going to tap on report a problem right over here, and then we are trying to report a problem to Instagram. So make sure to include a screenshot of your error message and try to say to Instagram, I have changed my password, I have tried switching my account, I have tried as well as updating my Instagram app to the latest version, but I'm still not being able to fix this issue. Please look through it and get back as soon as possible. You want to simply type in as that, and hopefully Instagram will get back to you within 24 or maybe a 2 to 3 days depending on their schedule. So hope this video helped. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.